Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to be demonstrating how to make a website on our platform for your custom t-shirt store. Now if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable, only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with different side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to quickly head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, custom t-shirt store. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our custom t-shirt store so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where your custom t-shirt store is located in the world, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail. Click on continue. Awesome. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and pop in my phone number over here as well as my email address. Let's click on continue. Great. Where is our custom t-shirt store located? I'm going to go ahead and put in our street's address as well as our postal code. Awesome. Let's click on continue. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. We also open on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. We closed on Sundays. Awesome. Let's do a quick review, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update location or update hours. And look at that, Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my custom t-shirt store in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some awesome images of all the custom t-shirts you're making and you want to showcase them on your website. Perhaps you want to make one or two changes to the content as well and make it a little bit more personalized. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom, making my way through so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. Now, you don't need to know any website coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking building a website for our custom t-shirt store. I'm quickly going to make my way to the top and I'm going to click on update section over here. The first thing I'm going to do is just click on the check this box to display my email address on my website next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. Our address, we've already put in our physical location. It's displayed at the top and the bottom of our Marty Sites website. When we click on it, it will automatically take our customers to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms that your custom t-shirt store is active on. Go ahead and put in the various social media platforms. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your website. Over here, I'm going to head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet because you're in the startup process of your business, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your business name at the top left and it still looks really professional. However, if you do have a logo, go ahead and upload it. If you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I do recommend you check out canva.com. My logo has been uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and click on this little pencil over here and ever so slightly crop my logo so it fits a little bit better in that section at the top. You can as well add frames, you can decorate it, you can add filters, rotate, zoom, flip it, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and click on done, wait for it to re-upload, and I'm going to go ahead and click on save. Once my logo has been uploaded, there it is over there. I can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is absolutely perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is. Now with Marty Sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for your custom t-shirt store. Perhaps the colors don't quite go with your branding, your business cards, your signage. Go ahead and click on this little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I'm going to go ahead and try that one. Let's try one or two more. That looks really great, but I might play around with one or two more. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Scroll a little bit further on. Let me just see which one works best for me and my business. That really stands out, so I might go ahead and select that one. Let me look at one or two more options as well. That looks fantastic. Love the colors. I'm going to go ahead and save that one. Absolutely love it. Over here, I'm going to head over to update image. Now, if you've got your own images, browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all completely free to use. Now, Mighty Sites will automatically search for custom t-shirt store, but you can just search for different terms and just see what pops up. So I'm just going to search for t-shirts and see what pops up. Lots of great options over here. I'm quite spoiled for choice. Let me go ahead and just have a look at one more, two options. That is, let's have a look at one or two more and just see what works best for me. Okay, I'm going to scroll back to the first page. I think I saw one or two suitable ones over there. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one for now. I can change it at a later stage. Awesome. Let's go ahead and head over to update contents. Now over here we can change the title, subtitles to suit our business needs. Button doesn't have to say request a quote. Maybe you wanted to say get in touch. So let's go ahead and do that and head over to choose link. Now we can link to another website if need be. We can link to another part of our Mighty Sites website or an action or click to call, click to email or direction. So I'm going to go ahead and put this as click to email. You can as well upload a PDF file, which is a great option to upload your current promotions or catalog of the different custom t-shirts that your business offers. So go ahead and upload a PDF file if you do have one. Awesome. Over here again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and make the necessary changes. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you got into this industry, a little bit of your background on your team who runs the custom t-shirt store. Do you offer discounts on bulk orders for businesses or schools perhaps? Go ahead and pop all the details over here. Your customers would absolutely love to hear your story. I really love her t-shirt. Not today. That's my life motto sometimes. Go ahead and upload your own image here or leave that one as is. Over here, we made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details, the different services you offer or why your customers should choose you. Do you offer professional design, hundreds of brands and styles? Do you bring people's designs to life? Is there a fast turnaround time? Go ahead and put all the details here in the services section. We've now made our way into the last section, the lead form. Over here, you can put a little bit more details. Over here, sorry, your customers can get in touch with you. All they need to do is put in their name, their email address, and their phone number, their message, click on send, and you will get notified via email that you have a lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in the site dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain, for your custom t-shirt store, go ahead and click on connect your domain over here. Say I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. Now, if you are struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.martysites.com. Head on over to our website, head on over to the blog. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of valuable information here for small businesses, so do check out our blog. Now, if you don't have a domain yet, click on I want a new domain because you can purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Over here in the Mighty dashboard is where you can find the leads via that form I've just shown you at the bottom on the previous page. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your custom t-shirt store. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget, service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card needed. So go ahead and click on the link below this video and sign up for the free trial. If you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.